Okay, hi students, good morning. Next to the continuation part in integration. Previous class we have discussed this type of problems: integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Okay, this type of this is very important compulsory question in the CET. By using this method, we have done yesterday up to 315. Now question number 316: integration of e power x by root x 1 plus 2x dx equal to e power x, take inside here 1 by root x plus 2x by root x dx. Integration of e power x 1 by root x plus 2 root x, right? Which derivative is there? 2 root x differentiation is this, because root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x, 2 to get cancelled, this is f of x and this is f dash x. So answer is e power x into f of x, e power x into 2 root x plus c. 317: integration of e power x x cube plus x plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Integration of e power x 1 plus x square form we have to make in the numerator, x take common, x square plus 1 here plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Splitting, integration of e power x this by this, x into 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Integration of e power x into is a whole power 1 whole power 3 by 2, 1 minus 3 by 2 means 1 minus 3 by 2 equal 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus x square minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Which function having derivative here? This 1 plus x square whole power minus 3 by 2, differentiation is minus 3 by 2, 1 plus x square 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, no, this derivative not there. Let me verify this derivative here, e power x into, this is x by root of 1 plus x square, e power x, this is x by root of 1 plus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square whole power 3 by 2 dx. Yes, this derivative is here, f of x derivative is here. Then answer is e power x into x by root of 1 plus x square. 318: integration of e power x 2 plus sine 2x into secant square x dx equal to f of x plus c. Then what is f of x? E power x 2 secant square x plus sine 2x, we can write 2 sine x cos x secant square x dx equal to f of x plus c. E power x 2 secant square x plus this is 1 by cos square x, cos x get cancelled, 2 tan x dx equal to f of x plus c. This derivative is here, this is the f of x and this is f dash x. The answer is e power x into tan x 2 plus c. This is the f of x. Next 319 integration e power x log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. This derivative is this. See, 1 by 1 plus d by dx of log of x plus root of x square minus 1 equal to 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1. X derivative is 1 plus 1 by 2 root of x square minus 1 into 2x. Get cancelled. This is comes here. This get cancelled, which is equal to 1 by root of x square minus 1. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. This derivative is here. The answer is e power x into log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. 320 integration of e power x 1 plus sin x into cos x by cos square x. Integration of e power x 1 by cos square x is secant square x plus sin x by cos x tan x into secant x. Correct? Tan x, sorry. Tan x dx. This differentiation here. So answer is e power x into tan x plus c. Integration of e power x sec x plus log of sec x plus tan x dx. This derivative is here. Log of sec x plus tan x. Log of sec x plus tan x equal to 1 by sec x plus tan x into sec x derivative is sec x into tan x plus tan x derivative is secant square x. Sec x take common here, sec x plus tan x by sec x plus tan x. This get cancelled. The answer is sec x. So this derivative is here. This is f dash x. This is f of x. The answer is e power x into log of sec x plus tan x plus c. This is the answer. Next 322. Integration of e power theta tan theta minus log of cos theta d theta. E power theta tan theta minus log of cos theta. Right? This derivative, log cos theta derivative is minus 1 by log cos theta derivative minus sin theta tan theta. So this is the f of theta and this is the f dash of theta. So answer is e power theta into log of cos theta minus next question is easy. This is try yourself. 323 tan x plus log of sec x into e power x dx. So which is log of sec x derivative is this is 1 by sec x into tan x. Sec x get cancelled, tan x. So answer is e power x into log of sec x plus c. Okay. Hi students. Now onwards we have discussed all methods in the integration. Now let us practice most important questions, previous CET questions. Previous CET questions. Now how much you learn so far is the one part. Practicing previous CET questions is the most important. That is the second part. Previous CET questions. Previous CET questions we are going to discussing now. Those are very, very important. Right? Previous CET questions. Right? Okay. In the integration, this is you focus lot. These problems are very, very, very important. Okay. So far what we have discussed just by learning, practicing those problems. But for competitive, the previous CT questions, which is very, very important, by using methods. So far what we have discussed, by using those methods, we have to solve these questions. Yes. Question number 1, previous CT questions. If you are not there, I will send through WhatsApp these questions. Just you can copy it. It was asked in 1995 CET. First question is integration of cos root x dx. Cos root x dx. Right? Cos root x means let x is equal to t square. Then dx is equal to 2t into dt. Okay, dx 2t dt and cos of t root x equal t square t. This is in the form of uv. I said shortcut for the by parts. T is the algebra. This is trigonometry. Algebra comes first. So t differentiation 1 with respect of t. Next differentiation 0. This is a u. This is a v. Cos t integration sin t integration minus cos t plus minus multiply this. So the answer is 2 into t sin t minus plus cos t. So 2 into t means t is equal to root x into sin root x plus cos root x plus c is answer. Second question is integration of log x dx. You try yourself. Just you pick the question and try yourself, and if not get, check the solution. This is the way, because so far we have discussed all the models. This also we have discussed. So think yourself how to solve. How to solve this? uv. What is a u? Logarithm. V is 1. Here shortcut is not applicable. Why? Because u differentiation, log x differentiation never 0 by applying differentiation of finite terms. Okay. So then use this shortcut, direct formula, uv, integration of uv, log x, integration of 1 dx minus d by dx of log x, integration of 1 dx whole dx. This is log x, integration of 1 dx x, derivative of log x is 1 by x, integration of dx x dx get cancelled. So x log x minus integration of 1 dx x plus c. This is the answer. X take common, log x minus 1 plus c. Yes, that is answer. So D option is right. Next, third question is, this is also we have discussed, x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. It's a 1996 question. This is, year is not important, just you practice these questions, most important. Yes, the way of solving this, tell me, this denominator we have to make in the numerator. X square plus 1 minus 2, correct? 1 minus 2 minus 1, x square plus 1 dx. This by this, 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1 dx. 1 integration is x minus 2, 1 by x square plus 1 integration is tan inverse of x plus c. Next, the question number 4, integration of root of 1 plus sine x by 2 dx. Integration of 1 sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. This is, you can write 2 sine x by 4 cos x by 4. Plus, this is off angle 2 sine x by 4 into cos x by 4. Then you make here sine square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4. A square plus b square plus 2ab root of sine x by 4 plus cos x by 4 whole square dx. Get cancel here, positive only both because no given interval. sin x by 4 integration minus cos x by 4 by 1 by 4. This is sin of x by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c. 4 comes up. Fifth question, integration of e power x, x by x plus 1 whole square. This is the very easy. Already we have practiced it because this model compulsory question in the CET. Without that model, no question paper. Integration of e power x, add plus 1 and minus 1, x plus 1 whole square dx. E power x, splitting here 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. This is the f of x and this is the f dash x. This derivative is here e power x into 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Sixth question, I have already solved, verified the previous video, x into x power n plus 1 dx. How to solve? Let x raised to n equal to t. Yes, you will get, this is the answer, 1 by n log of x power n by x power n plus 1. You try yourself this. Seventh also, e power log of tan x dx. E power log of tan x base e, tan x integration log of sec x plus c. Eighth question is integration of dx by 1 plus e power x into 1 plus e power minus x dx. These are all questions, you copy it and practice. Previous questions are very, very important. This also we have done. Almost all problems we have done in the exercise only. 1 plus e power x, 1 plus 1 by e power x. Now, the way, first question you pick it, okay, and try yourself. Without trying, just if we watch the video, you can't get the concept. Integration, you have to solving, by solving only you will get it. Because where you done mistake, that you rectify it. Here, LCM is e power x, take up e power x by e power x plus 1 whole square dx. E power x plus 1 whole raised to minus 2 e power x dx. See, this is the f of x whole power n. This derivative is here. So, answer is e power x plus 1 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Question number 9, e power sin square x into sin 2x dx. This is derivative here. Yes, solve it. 10th question is dx by sin x plus cos x. This is have discussed already. If it is this model, the way of solving is sin x and cos x. This is, we can write cos square x minus sin square x, but this is, we can't, off angle we can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Then we will get either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square form. Dx sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is many problems we have discussed. This get cancelled. Cos square x by 2, sorry. This is not cancelled. Sin x off angle formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now, yes, 2 sin x by 2. Now what to do? Divide by cos square x by 2. Divide by cos square x by 2. Or another formula, better I am telling, It's take time this is. So to save the time here, sin x you write in the tan formula. Direct will get it. You know formula, sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then sin theta, sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Plus similarly cos 2 theta formula, 1 minus tan square theta here by 2 x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Easy this is. This is take LCM, take up. When you come up 1 plus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus 2 tan x by 2, 1 plus 2 tan x by 2 minus tan square x by 2. Yes, 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 2 tan x by 2. This is what to do to make the a minus b whole square a square. Okay, 1 minus tan square x by 2 and plus 2 tan x by 2. Yes, it comes up. When you take here sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2, no, here dx it will be changed. It is in terms of dx only, but here half angle. So 1 plus tan square x by 2 equal to secant square x by 2. Yes. Then secant square x by 2 here 2 tan x by 2 we can write in the form of 2a. B is how much? 1. Okay. So we should take minus common here. When you take the minus common, here minus 1, here plus and here minus will get. Now we can make the form a square minus 2ab is 1 plus 1 square, okay, minus 1 square up to this minus, this is secant square x by 2 up to this 1 minus tan x by 2 whole square, and here minus 1 up to this minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2, that we can write root 2 whole square. Finish. This derivative is here 1 minus tan x by 2 is f of x whole square. F of x derivative, one derivative is 0 minus tan x by derivative is minus secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2, here multiply by 1 by 2, here 1 by 2. So f dash x by f of x whole square minus a square equal to formula minus 2 1 by 2a log of f of x plus a, f of x minus a by f of x plus a. Understood? 1 minus tan x by 2 minus root 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2 plus root 2. This is the answer. Simplify. Next, 11th question is very easy. E power x 1 plus tan x plus tan square x. Very easy. Everybody know this. E power x 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x plus tan x dx. This derivative is here. E power x f of x plus f dash x equal to e power x into tan x. Right. So in whole out of 60 questions you can able to do for nearly 45 to 50 questions within 1 minute. Even 30 seconds also some problems you can solve it. Only 10 questions they will give more than 1 minute. It's take to solve the questions more than 1 minute. So what you have saved this time, that time here utilize here. So first of all, while solving easy question we have to solve. Okay. Next, 12th question, integration of sin x dx by 3 plus 4 cos square x. Very easy. This is general formula here. This is root 3 whole square plus 2 cos x whole square and sin x. This is in the form of a square plus f of x whole square. F of x 2 cos x differentiation is minus 2 sin x, multiply by minus 2 here. So f dash x by a square plus f of x whole square equal to, tell me, 1 by a tan inverse of f of x by a, 2 cos x by root 3 plus c. Yes, next one, 13th question, integration of x plus 3 e power x by x plus 4 whole square dx. E power x, x plus 3 plus 4 here. Add plus 1 and minus 1, we can write 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square. Integration of e power x, this by this, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square dx. This derivative is here, e power x into 1 by x plus 4. Next, 14th, integration of dx by x minus 5 whole square, x minus 5 whole power minus 2, x minus 5 derivative is 1 dx. So, answer is x minus 5 whole power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. 15th, 2 dx by root of 1 minus 4x whole square, 2 dx by root of 1 minus 2x whole square. 2x differentiation is 2, a square minus x square formula, 2 into sine inverse of f of x, 2x by 1 plus c. See, this type of questions within 30 seconds, 20 seconds we can finish it. What are the remaining time? The remaining you can utilize for tough questions. Next, integration of dx by root of 2x minus x square. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, 2x minus x square minus take common x square minus 2x, add plus 1 minus 1. You will get here x plus 1 whole square minus 1, multiply by minus dx by root of, when you multiply by minus, 1 minus x plus 1 whole square, a square minus f of x whole square, sine inverse of x plus 1 plus c. Next,